Hey counselors, welcome to another video from Counselor Tips. In this video, I am going to be covering creative developmental model of supervision. So remember, the counseling profession has been built on the idea that we develop across a lifespan. This integrative developmental model is several decades old and one of the most widely researched developmental models towards supervision. The integrative developmental model highlights the growth and development of both the supervisor and supervisee. This model is really moving supervisees towards autonomy. That means building the experience and self-confidence necessary to not need the supervisor anymore and practice independently. This model focuses on the awareness in the self as well as others. It looks at fear, uncertainty, and anxiety, and how this can affect the client as well as others. In this supervision style, the supervisor will help the supervisee see how their own feelings around uncertainty, fear, and anxiety can be affecting them as well as a therapeutic relationship. The motivation factor in this model is really the desire to assist others and to be open to learning what our strengths are as well as our areas that need improvement. In the use of this model, the supervisor is trying to support the supervisee to gain skills in competency intervention, assessment techniques, interpersonal assessment, client conceptualization, individual differences, theoretical orientation, treatment plans and goals, as well as utilizing the code of ethics to guide choices and professional behavior. This model consists of 3 stages. So level 1 is the novice counselor. This entry-level level 1 counselor is generally a graduate student who is highly motivated to learn. Yet at the same time, their anxiety and fear is just as high. In level 1, supervisors want to make sure that they're assessing where their supervisee is and providing feedback and support to the developmental level they're in. So if it's a level 1 supervisee, the supervisor is going to help provide support and recognize that supervisees may feel very dependent and have a great deal of anxiety. Then there's level 2. This kind of supervised counselor is a mid-level experienced counselor. Their experience fluctuates around confidence and motivation. These mid-level supervisees will oftentimes link their mood about their performance as a counselor directly related to client progress. In a level 2 supervision, a supervisor is going to help the supervised counselor develop more independence, begin to alleviate some of the anxiety around new clients by helping them integrate previous skills applied to these new clients or new conditions they're treating, and challenge level 2 supervisees to gain new skills to begin to work towards mastery or independence. Level 3. These supervisees are generally secure in their performance as a counselor. They often have stability in their motivation, and their empathy is tempered by their objectivity. When a supervisor is working with a level 3 supervisee, they're going to foster an environment where the relationship becomes more collegial and the supervisee starts to develop the autonomy needed in order to move out of the supervision relationship. If you found this video helpful and you believe it can assist another counselor or another supervisor, please consider sharing it. If you're learning from Counselor Tips, please consider subscribing to this channel, and hey, turn on the bell so you know when I have a new video. I'll see you soon.